Welcome to Networks Professional, the Cisco Networking Academy.
Cyber law in different countries. Cyber law or Internet law refers to any laws that deal with protecting the Internet and other online communication technologies. Cyber law covers topics such as Internet access and usage, privacy, freedom of expression, and jurisdiction. Cyber laws provide an assurance of the integrity, security, privacy, and confidentiality of information in both governmental and private organizations. These laws have become prominent due to the increase in Internet usage around the world. Cyber laws vary by jurisdiction and country, so implementing them is quite challenging. Violating these laws results in punishments ranging from fines to imprisonment. Module Summary. This module has discussed the need for security, elements of information security, the security, functionality, and usability triangle, and security challenges. It has covered motives, goals, and objectives of information security attacks in detail. It also discussed classification of attacks and information security attack vectors. Finally, this module ended with a detailed discussion of various information security laws and regulations. The next module will give you introduction on ethical hacking fundamental concepts such as cyber kill chain methodology, hacking concepts, hacker classes, and various phases of hacking cycle. Thanks for watching Networks Professionals.